Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Great. Thank you for attending today's lesson. Today we're going to be talking about an important technique in poetry known as iambic pentameter. Do any of you happen to know what that is? No? Okay. Let's start by dissecting this phrase. So first of all, what is an iamb? Any ideas?
An item?
It's a unit of poetry.
Sure. Well, an iamb happens to be a metrical foot, as it's known, consisting of two syllables. One short, unstressed syllable, followed by a long, stressed syllable. In other words, da-dum.
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 No.
Great. Alright, on to the second word. What does penta mean? Any ideas?
5.
5? Can you think of a word with penta in it?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Very good. And what do you think of when you think of a meter? Do you think of a circle, a square, a line, or what?
A line.
A line. Very good. Thank you, Stephen. So there we go. If we put these different parts of the phrase together, we get a definition, which is a line or verse which consists of 5 iambs. So, what do you think might be some effects of iambic pentameter? Yes, Stephen.
Well, it sounds like a very soothing type of rhythm. It's very organized. Sounds good to the ear. Very soothing, very organized.
Sure. So thank you very much. It's a calm, soothing way of writing out poetic verses, which is why a lot of people have associated iambic pentameter with, say, romantic intimacy. A lot of love poems are oftentimes written in iambic pentameter because it maybe reflects the calm, orderly state that one could associate with a romantic setting. Not only that, it also reflects a state of consistency, having a rhythmic, unfluctuating quality to the verse, as Stephen suggested. Also, what sound do you think of when you think of da-dum, 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 da-dum?
A heart.
A heart beating. Very good. Because iambic pentameter oftentimes sounds like a heartbeat, a lot of iambic pentameter poems are about love and death, life and death. So let's look at one classic example of iambic pentameter, which we can find oftentimes in a great writer, a great bard, who wrote such famous plays as Romeo and Juliet and Hamlet, named William Shakespeare. Very good. Now, he wrote a series of poems published in 1609, a lot of sonnets. One of them, Sonnet 18, is a love poem in which the speaker praises the virtue of his beloved one. So I've actually printed out some copies of this poem. Could someone volunteer to read an excerpt? Someone raise their hand? Stephen, sure.
Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date.
Okay, so remember we talked about some of the qualities of iambic pentameter as featured in poems? How do you think those qualities come forth in this particular instance?
It's about love.
It's about love. Very good. Thank you, Joanne. So a love poem, as we've inferred to, will oftentimes be improved by like a nice, calm flow, free sound flow to it, which iambic pentameter can achieve. This is one of the reasons why Shakespeare writes so often in iambic pentameter. Hi class, here's our World War II chant. Repeat after me. 1938.
1938.
Chamberlain says peace would be great.
Chamberlain says peace would be great.
1939.
1939.
Hitler says Poland is mine.
Hitler says Poland is mine.
1940.
1940.
France's next country to go.
France's next country to go.
1941.
1941.
U.S. attacked by rising sun.
U.S. attacked by rising sun.
1942.
1942.
Morocco invaded Algeria too.
Morocco invaded Algeria too.
1943.
1943.
Victory for Red Army.
Victory for Red Army.
1944.
1944.
France is freed and many more.
France is freed and many more.
1945.
1945.
Peace has finally arrived.
Peace has finally arrived.